We start from a familiar site, Cape Canaveral, Florida. We are on top of an Ares rocket ready for launch. As we launch, we feel the G-forces as we lift off and head for space. A typical trip to Jupiter will usually take over a year. However, today we get there in just a few seconds. Hold on as we make the jump. Jupiter is the largest object in our solar system. It was first recorded by the Babylonians around the 7th through 8th centuries BCE. Jupiter was named after the king of Roman gods. It was Galileo who discovered Jupiter's moons in 1610. This gave evidence that objects rotated around the other planets besides the Earth. All of the other planets in our solar system, Jupiter has the shortest day. It lasts just under 10 hours. It is believed that this fast rotation is the cause of Jupiter's Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a hurricane-type storm on Jupiter that has lasted for over 300 years. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a high-pressure storm that can be compared to the worst hurricane on Earth. This storm has been going around for over 300 years. The Great Red Spot is twice the size of Earth. The storm has wind speeds of about 270 miles an hour. We are not sure what gives the spot its red color. It is believed to be a combination of sulfur and phosphorus. Galileo discovered the 4 largest moons of Jupiter in 1610. The smallest of these is Europa. Since it is so cold on Europa, the surface is covered in a layer of ice. Scientists believe that there might be oceans beneath its 6 miles of ice. Europa is named after the Queen of Crete, and according to Greek mythology, she was taken by Zeus while he was disguised as a white bull. Bigger than Europa, Io is just bigger than our own moon. Io has a lot of volcanic activity, and the volcano temperatures can reach 3,000 degrees. Since it is so far away from the sun, its average surface temperature runs about negative 202 degrees Fahrenheit. It is sometimes called the moon of fire and ice. Galileo first called Io Jupiter 1. It didn't get that name, Io, until the mid-1800s. The second largest moon of Jupiter, Callisto, is the most heavily cratered object in the solar system. It is the outermost of the 4 Galilean moons. Because it is so far away from Jupiter, it takes about a week to orbit the planet. It is about the same size as Mercury. Callisto gets its name from Greek mythology. She was a hunting companion of Artemis. The largest of the 4 Galilean moons, Ganymede, would be considered a planet if it was orbiting the Sun rather than Jupiter. Ganymede is larger than Pluto and Mercury, and only a little smaller than Mars. Because of its size, it can be seen with the naked eye. Ganymede is named after Trojan prince in Greek mythology.